Alright guys, so this is a quick look at the DeWalt 18 volt XR cordless multi-tool. I've only just got it. Just got it to replace my 110 one. Check out what's inside. It comes in plastic packaging. You got the sander head. Comes with some sandpapers for that head. Comes with another little box. Probably got the blades in this box. I can get it open. Yeah. Yeah, it comes with a couple of blades, a different head, so I think if you can use different other branded blades. Then the tool itself, the manual in the bottom of the box. A plastic bag. It's alright, can't wait to use it. Getting sick of dragging cables around really. Yeah, it's alright. Has a LED on the front, a quick detach tool for the blades. Yeah, that's about it. Takes the 18 volt or all the flex volt batteries. Yeah, there's the model number and info. It'll focus. Nope, right. Yeah. Well, the model number is DCS 355. If you're looking at get this one for yourself, yeah, I'd probably recommend it, especially if you're going cordless. Yes, that's it. Thanks for watching. Cheers.